Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a quick wig review on this wig that you see right here. So if you want all the deets, then make sure you keep on watching. Okay love, so I know that it feels like, for me it feels like it's been a minute since I talked to you guys. Now I have responded to I think everyone's comments. So your girl was backed up on comments for about 2 months. So I finally went through and responded to I think all of the comments, but I haven't been filming like I normally do because your girl has been jam-packed busy, okay? So I do have a lot of things coming, a lot of things in the work. Now it depends on my career when I'll be able to get it out, but as of right now I'm bringing you guys this gorgeous thing right here. So this unit is courtesy of ZURY HOLLWOOD. They were kind enough to send your girl this unit right here. So let me give you all the deets. So this unit is from their Beyond Your Imagination collection. It is called their BYD Lace H Vibe. And so yes, this is definitely a vibe, okay? But the wig details are, it says it has a preset frontal hairline. The hairline appears as if it's styled with a hot comb, resulting in hair parted at the front with added volume. It is also styled this way to make it easier to care for baby hair. And for that, I will definitely agree. Like, do you guys see this part? Like, so you guys will get an up close look at it, but y'all, this part, like, it looks immaculate. And the funny thing about it is when I put it on my head, I honestly thought it reminded me of when you leave the shop. Like when you leave the shop and you first get your hair done, like this is what this unit feels like. So it is a lace front unit and it has a 5-inch center hand tie part right here, but it says center, but I decided to put it towards the right, and I actually think it's more of a right side part. And then also it is 16 inches long. So I definitely think this is different from what I usually wear. I'm usually into, you know, inches upon inches, but I love the body that this unit is giving me. And so yes, I'm definitely feeling the 16 inches. And so I have it in the color FFTAMBER. And so this is what she looks like on the stock card. I actually am loving this this green color. It's actually, what is it? It's called Some RT4 Slime. So that is the color right here. I don't think this color was an option for me. I'm not really sure, but I definitely would be interested to see what it looks like. But yeah, so this is the stock card. This is the color that I'm rocking. I'm absolutely loving this unit. I definitely give this unit an A, and the only reason I don't give it an A+ is because I really wish there was more volume in the back. So I do show you guys the back if you guys keep on watching, but for me, just for me feeling it, it just feels like it's very flat in the back. And actually to the point I have a bobby pin in and I could feel the bobby pin. I'm like, wait, is there a bobby pin in the wig or is it in my stocking cap? And so yeah, it's just very flat in the back. I just really wish there was more volume all the way around, but as far as the layers and everything up front, I'm feeling it. So if you guys want to see how I customize it to my liking, then make sure you guys stay tuned. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope to see you guys in my next video.
Tell me why you, tell me.